Hey, this is Ivory with MunchyGoddess.com, and today I'm going to show you how to make this delicious air fryer peanut butter and jelly sandwich. For the ingredients, you'll need 2 slices of bread, peanut butter, jelly, butter, and sliced strawberries. Start by preheating your air fryer to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and set the timer for 5 minutes. Next, we're going to put together the PB&J by spreading peanut butter on one slice of bread and jelly on the other. Add the strawberries, and then spread butter to each side of the sandwich. Next, go ahead and add the sandwich to the air fryer and cook for 5 minutes and flip halfway through. There you go. Thanks for watching.